Hey guys, it's Eric here at Farpoint Mowers and Mower, back at Rural King this week, and taking a look at the Husqvarna zero turns they have, proudly built in America, the Z254F and the Z248F. Difference in these pretty much deck size. This one's got the 54, it is a welded frame, and this one's got a 48, it is also a welded frame. So these are prosumer. You could definitely do commercial work with these if you want to. $3,500 for these. This one doesn't have a price on it, but let's take a look. Controls are the same, similar on both these. We do have PTO on and off, obviously our key switch. We do have an hour meter, choke lever, and throttle. Gas fills up on this side. I believe it's a 5-gallon tank. Now, these both come with a really nice engine. This is the Kawasaki FR651V, 21.5 horsepower. This is a really reliable, good motor here. You don't see too many Kawasaki's outside of the Husqvarna brand, unfortunately. Well, some walk behinds also, but nice aggressive semi-turf, I call those. And then we've got this one here, the slightly different engine, the FR691V, but still a Kawasaki on that as well. Yeah, just a good looking mower for sure. This one, nice fuel filters are easily accessible. Fuel cutoff over there is easily accessible. Deck height controls, steering controls, both are going to give you that same control panel on that side. Nice. The seats are really comfy looking too, and they got Zerk fittings so you can grease everything. You know, overall, pretty nice. I guess I'll leave it at that. Till next time, my friends, take care.